All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the selector types. Remember that declarations are a fundamental part of CSS because they apply a style sheet to a selected element. But how do you decide which element will get the style? Well, that's with a selector. Now, a selector is used to target a specific element. Um, that's specific HTML elements to be styled. So by the declaration, one selector you may be familiar with is the type selector. As the name suggests, the type selector matches the type of the element in the HTML document. So in the previous lesson, you changed the color of a paragraph element. This is an instance of using the type selector. The element is P, which comes from the paragraph element in HTML. And some important notes on the type selector are going to be the type selector does not include the angle brackets. And then since the element types are often referred to as by their opening tag name, the type selector is sometimes referred as a tag name or an element selector. So our task is going to be to open style.css. It's already open. On line 5, add a rule set using, using the type selector to target all H1. Leave the declaration block empty for now, and let's run it. Inside the curly braces, put the declaration down below, run it, and voila, there you go. The headers are going to be the H1 elements are all going to be maroon. That's how you change it. So that's going to end it right here. Pretty simple, short, sweet video. Now this was the type selector, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing and have a great rest of your day.